Okay, so this is the symptoms of a cold engine. There's nothing to be worried about. Watch right here, this little arm right here. That's the throttle pedal. And you'll see how you have to kind of milk it just a little bit when you don't have a choke. But it's nothing to worry about. You just have to get it warm. Even my car does. See, it's just cold. So what you do is you just kind of milk it a little bit. And once she starts to build a little bit of heat, they start to smooth out. So you don't want to let it run cold like that. You want to kind of see, so that's the car's just running cold. Yeah, so your car's just running cold. Just milk it and keep it alive and get it out on the highway. And for the first 5 minutes, just gonna go easy up. And after that, it should run fine. That's the way my car works. Thank you.